All right, today we're gonna try to remove the carpet and the flooring. We'll take a look at these stringers. Hopefully they'll be okay. Figure out just how much marine grade plywood needs to be purchased. Here's a tip for you as you're tearing down your boat. Take all the hardware and screws, put them in individually labeled Ziploc bags of what the hardware goes to. I didn't do this on my last boat. I just thought I'd be able to remember. It didn't go well. So rotten, it's coming up. There's a couple brackets that help hold the engine housing in place. Over here, they're completely missing. Looks like this is something that can be easily made, if not found on and replaced. Also gonna have to come and take this foot floorboard piece off real quick. Seamless line. There is one more piece right here that needs to be removed. It's nice to get all of this nasty old leaves and debris cleaned out on these pieces. They look like trash. This carpet pulled up really easily. These tracks right here, which hold down the side carpet, and then the base carpet slides up into it. I just reused these on my last boat. I'm gonna see if I can clean them up and just reuse them again for this boat right here. I think this side carpet is gonna be tougher to get out, but it's nasty. It'll be worth it. You see right here just how easily this carpet is pulling up, tracks and all. A couple more screws to get these out. Couple screws down here. I can't wait to get new carpet in this boat. New carpet, oh, it makes it so nice. See how easily the sides come off. Okay. Oh, that's not bad at all. Nautique parts are here. Nautique parts are here. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Okay. Christmas comes in the springtime. Oh, nice. New inspection plate. Okay. Oh, we've got new timing belts for the engine. We've got a new impeller for the engine. That looks like a thermostat. Yes, it is a thermostat with gasket. Christmas is here. That looks like the stupid $24 switch. It was $5. It was $5 last year. Now Nautique is ripping us off. Here is the hardware set for the slide. This is awesome. That costs a little bit more than the switch for the horn. Crying out loud. Oh, I almost threw that away. This is the sticker that we're gonna put on the super cheap steering wheel. So instead of paying $350 to $400 for a Nautique steering wheel, we can do it for 70 bucks. Gaskets for the manifold are in. Here's the big box. Ooh, a new figure out how to mount this though. This is gonna be a little bit tricky. Yep. We are gonna attempt to rebuild a carburetor. Never restored a boat before. Now we're doing all that. Oh, this is a lot of money worth of decals. These are all, that might motivate her to finally do something on this boat. Look it! It's all here. It's all here. Look how happy she is.
So excited.
Stickers, decals. How was softball?
Awesome.
You want to ready to work on the boat all night? You gonna work on the boat all night? No? Okay. I'm excited to be putting a new inspection plate in on this boat. I think these details, which don't cost too much, are gonna make a big difference. All right, that's it. We got all the carpet out. If you think carpet removal is hard, that just took a couple minutes. A little bit of tugging and just comes right up. I am gonna be saving all of these pieces of carpet here. It's gonna make it easier for me to just lay out new carpet. I'll just basically trace over it and cut it. It'll definitely make doing the sides of the boat a lot easier because measuring that could be tricky. All right, now for the interesting part. What did they do right here? Wow. We have decking. I'm not even sure this decking doesn't even look like they screwed it down anywhere. First look at the stringers. This should be the worst one. A little bit of moisture in. So you can see what we have on these floors. These should be a marine grade plywood, and then there's a layer of fiberglass that's been laid over it. See the fresh fiberglass right there underneath. It's not surprising on a ski boat that this is the worst part of it. This is where all the foot traffic comes. Skiers getting into the boat. Seats right there. This is where your feet stand. This is where everybody has to walk around the engine to get to the driver's seat, to get to the passenger seat. This is where all the dripping takes place from bathing suits. One of the things I got going on with this boat is that this windshield is really not attached. So we gotta figure out how to take this off. There's a coping line inside of here. It actually slides out pretty easily and exposes all the screws that go into the fiberglass. My plan is to just mount this with new screws in different places. This will be important because these are going to be holes that we can't really redo. Oh. Okay. So clearly these are the screws that are still holding this windshield in place. We'll take them out. And again, when I put this back in, I'll just put screws in different spots. And yeah, you can see that all those screws going across the front were basically not doing anything. Do the other side and that's it. Windshield is removed. We also need to remove as many pieces like this off the boat. This will all make it a lot easier to do the buffing, polishing, and waxing. We're making these look even better than they look right now. There's our horn right there. I don't have a battery hooked up to see if that works or not. Well, there she is. All right, didn't get the floors up before it was time to leave for Florida with the family. It's gonna be a couple weeks before we can get going again. You guys all take care. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. It's gonna get a lot more fun here once we get this boat torn apart.